Which of the following is hard? Iron. Mustard oil and kerosene are dash liquids. Immiscible. Mustard oil and kerosene do not dissolve in water. They separate after a while, forming different layers. Which of the following will float on water? Ice. Ice is lighter than water and thus will float on water. All gases in the air are dash conductors of heat. All gases in the air are bad conductors of heat. Air is poor conductor because its molecules are not in constant contact with one another. Heavy substances dash in water. Heavy substances sink in water. Heavier objects have a density greater than water. The process of grouping the things on the basis of similar properties is called classification. We group things together because dividing materials in groups makes it convenient to study their properties and observe patterns in these properties. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it dissolves a large number of substances. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. Which gas is responsible for fizz in soft drinks? Carbon dioxide. Why carbon dioxide is called a greenhouse gas? Because they absorb heat. Which of the following gas is released when alum is added to water? Carbon dioxide gas is released when alum is added to water, which is corrosive to metals. Which of the following is biodegradable waste? Food waste. Which of the following gas is not colorless? NO. NO is a highly reactive gas which is reddish brown in color, whereas O3, PbSO3 are colorless gas. Anything that has a mass and occupies space is called matter. A wide variety of living organisms is called biodiversity. It is the term in ecology which is used to define flora and fauna population in particular area. The natural residence of every organism is known as habitat. In ecology, the term habitat is used to refer to the collection of resources, physical and biological factors. An important defining feature is that organisms can reproduce and survive in the given area. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is a renewable source of energy. It is considered a renewable energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed by the sun. What is the benefit of rainwater storage? Recharging groundwater level. Recharging groundwater level is the benefit of rainwater storage. Rainwater storage is also known as rainwater harvesting. The water, when stored in tanks dug in ground surface, seeps through pores and recharge groundwater level. What is the biggest source of pollution in the world? Sewage and garbage. The largest ecosystem of the earth is biosphere. Environment includes both abiotic and biotic component. Biotic component describe a living component of an ecosystem. Abiotic component are non-living chemical and physical factors in the environment which affect ecosystems. Which is the abiotic component of an ecosystem? All the above. Abiotic components of the ecosystem include all the non-living things of an ecosystem. It constitutes gases, water vapor, rocks, and soils of the ecosystem. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Nitrogen. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide are greenhouse gases, and these gases are responsible for changes in the atmosphere or climate and ultimately for global warming. Chemical formula of methane is CH4. It is greenhouse gas, and nitrous oxide N2O is called laughing gas. Why are radiations harmful? Radiations leads to skin cancer. Name the day that is celebrated as the World Environment Day. June 5th. What is the correct order of the 3R principle? Reduce, reuse, recycle. These three methods are considered as the proper ways to dispose of waste. The reason for soil pollution is acid rain. Which object shines? Steel spoon. Steel spoon is a metallic object while all others are non-metals. An oily thin paper sheet will be translucent. Only a part of light passes through it. Which one will show a metallic luster? Freshly cut surface of a metal. Metals when cut, their freshly cut surface has shining. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? All of the above. Noise pollution is measured in decibel. The decibel is a logarithmic unit used to measure sound level. Which one of the following is insoluble in water? Coconut oil is insoluble in water. Hardest known natural substance is diamond. CNG stands for a compressed natural gas. Perfume is a substance which is volatile. Volatile substances have a tendency to vaporize, whereas non-volatile substances do not have a tendency to vaporize. Biotic components of an ecosystem include all living organisms. Abiotic components of an ecosystem include every physical factor present in that ecosystem. Universal decomposer in an ecosystem is fungi. Universal producer in an ecosystem is plant. Levels in a food chain make a trophic level. Which light in the upper atmosphere produces oxygen free radical which make the ozone layer? Ultraviolet rays. Synthetic chemicals like brakes and ozone molecules. Which among these are CFC? Chlorofluorocarbon. The liquids that dissolve in one another are called miscible. When two liquids mix completely and there is no distinguished layer between them in the solution, they are said to be miscible solution. Which of the following is a matter? All of these. Materials that cannot be compressed easily are called dash materials. Hard. Which of the following gets reddish brown in color on exposure to air? Iron. Which of the following is soft? Cotton. Wood is used as a fuel. Which property makes it suitable for this purpose? Combustibility. What makes the basis of sorting materials into groups? Both similarities and differences in their properties.